Hello guys, welcome to another video on Healthy Talkie YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about understanding and treating prostate problems. Before we get started with the video, check the link in the description box below to discover the secret formula we recommend if you want to be free from an enlarged prostate. Quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value from it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Infection, enlargement, and prostate cancer are the three most common problems with the male prostate. Infection. Prostatitis, which is the name for an infection of the prostate, can be one of four things. Acute bacterial prostatitis. Chronic prostatitis caused by bacteria. Chronic non-bacterial prostatitis. Prostatidynia, chronic pelvic pain syndrome. The least common type is acute bacterial, but it is easier to find and treat. Most of the time, men with this condition have a UTI, urinary tract infection. Your doctor can test a sample of your urine, do a urethral swab, or do a digital rectal exam to look for bacteria. If bacteria are found, a course of antibiotics will be given to treat the infection. Chronic bacterial infections happen when the same kind of infection keeps coming back. This is usually caused by a problem with the prostate. A urologist would have to look into this to find the cause, which would then be treated, and then a course of antibiotics would be given to get rid of any infection in the prostate. Men with chronic non-bacterial prostatitis have all of the same symptoms as men with chronic bacterial prostatitis, but no bacteria or other cause is found. Most doctors think that prostatidynia and chronic pelvic pain syndrome, CPPS, are the same things. Since there is no likely reason for them, they could be caused by stress. Men should make sure to drink a lot of water, at least 8 glasses per day, stay away from too much coffee, alcohol, and spicy foods, urinate often and have sex often to avoid getting prostatitis. Enlarged prostate gland. After a man turns 40, his prostate will usually start to get bigger. This condition is called benign prostatic hypertrophy, BPH. The exact cause is unknown, but it is thought to be caused by a drop in male hormones and other types of cell damage that happen over time. The prostate gland surrounds the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the tip of the penis. When the prostate gland gets bigger, it starts to put pressure on the urethra, which can make it hard to urinate. In the early stages of BPH, the bladder muscle thickens and squeezes urine through the urethra with more force. This makes the bladder muscle more sensitive, which is why men feel like they have to go to the bathroom more often as they age. Due to the blockage, BPH can sometimes cause other problems, such as frequent UTIs, damage to the bladder and/or kidneys, and sometimes acute urinary retention, which means you can't urinate and needs medical help right away. Prostate cancer. This is the type of cancer that kills the second most men in the United States. The good news is that it grows very slowly, so doctors usually wait to do drastic treatments like surgery or radiation until they are sure they are needed. On the other hand, because it grows slowly, if you don't get a physical every year, it may not be found for many years before it starts to hurt. Because of this, it is very important for men over 40, or younger if there is a family history of prostate cancer, to get a PSA blood test and an exam of their prostate every year. These are always part of an annual physical exam and help find problems early on. Diet is the single most important thing you can do to stop cancer cells from changing and to fight them. It is very important to eat well, drink a lot of water, and take supplements to make up for any nutrients your body might be missing. Even if you think you get enough vitamins and nutrients from your food, it may be a good idea to take supplements, especially if you have already been told you have cancer. There are good brands that are made just for men's health that aren't too expensive and will make sure you get the daily recommended levels. Advice on what to eat for a healthy prostate. Here are some dietary tips that are thought to be especially important for the prostate. Make sure you get enough vitamin C and zinc in your diet because they help keep your prostate healthy and free of infections. If you eat fruit every day, you'll get enough vitamin C, and most fruits also have a small amount of zinc. Zinc can also be found in asparagus, Brussels sprouts, beans, peas, potatoes, pumpkin, cashew nuts, oats, sunflower seeds, wheat, cheddar cheese, chicken, turkey, eggs, herring, sardines, lamb, pork, soybeans, yogurt, and duck. Beef also has zinc, but you should only eat 1 serving of red meat per week because too much meat protein is bad for your health, especially if you already have cancer. A study from Harvard University found that eating red meat every day makes you 250% more likely to get prostate cancer. It's best to stick to fish, poultry, and pork, which are all white meats. Eat a lot of lycopene-rich foods, the nutrient which gives tomatoes their red coloring. It's also in salsa, carrots, and watermelon. Every day, try to eat a lot of sprouts, raw salad, and fresh vegetable juice. It seems that Japanese men don't die from prostate cancer as often as other men do. This is thought to be because they eat a lot of soy foods, so try to eat more soy. Soybeans have genistein and bioflavonoids, which are natural chemicals thought to be especially good against prostate cancer and other cancers caused by changes in hormones. Saw palmetto berry is a herb that has been shown to help ease the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. You can find this at your local health store or with the supplements at your local pharmacy. Vitamin D is also thought to be especially good for the prostate. Again, that's why you should eat fish and eggs, and don't forget to take a short walk every day in the sun, which is a natural source of vitamin D. If you have tried all these tips and still suffering from an enlarged prostate, then check out the secret formula we recommend. This is an all-natural supplement that you can use to achieve your desired results and be free. It is easy to take, very effective, and highly recommended. Learn more about our secret formula from the link below this video in the description box and find out how it can help you to get rid of enlarged prostate. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. The videos on your screen right now are also educative and informative, so make sure you watch them too. Live a healthy life, stay strong.